The police are still investigating the death of a soldier, her son and lover in St. Thomas. The bodies were discovered after 12 this afternoon. It's believed that they were reported missing in the parish on Saturday.
An abandoned Nissan motor car in Peartree River, St. Thomas was the principal clue which led to the gruesome discovery.
3 unidentified bodies found in the bushes of Peartree River. 2 adults and a youngster.
The deceased are believed to be 21-year-old Lexton Clayton, a recent Jamaica Defense Force JDF graduate, her 2-year-old son, Taylor, and her boyfriend, a security guard employed to the Portland Municipal Corporation, 28-year-old Kimani Taylor. The bodies were partially burnt. Meanwhile, as the police processed the scene, residents expressed outrage at the discovery.
I'm sorry that I'm not dead again, you know. So you never know, man. God knows best still, you know.
I mean, I feel good about this. Because God make all of us, and this is not right.
Up to news time, the police were still investigating the incident. They are yet to classify the killings. Shemela Pullen, TVJ News.